Hello guys, in this video let us check out the INIU 25,000 mAh power bank. Now it's a 65 watt power bank, which is quite good. So it has fast charge and this can even charge your laptop. So if you have a MacBook or something, 65 watt is the charger that I believe MacBook gives, and you can use it to charge your MacBooks and other laptops as well. That gets charged with the USB Type C. So INIU gives you 3 years of warranty on the product, which is quite good. And this says Safe Fast Charge Pro. So unboxing the box, you can see here we have the power bank wrapped in plastic and we have a welcome guide. So inside the box here we have the 25,000 milliamp hour power bank. Number is B63. Here's the welcome guide, and we get two USB Type C cables, which is quite good. And here is the pouch, which is of a really good quality. The pouch is quite soft and it has good holes so that you don't get any moisture while you're using this. So this is quite nice. So here's a quick start / welcome guide which shows how to use this power bank, and it says it has a push out mobile holder, which is quite good, and it says charger device, charger power bank, and the other details are given as follows. So you can see that very nicely packed inside this pouch, and you can see it looks quite good and is nicely packed and pretty easy to carry too. Power bank, you can see it's written fast charge, which is quite nice. So power bank designed by INIU. On the right side we have the power button. To the other side you can see here we have the charging buttons, the ports, and you can see here we have 165 watt and 130 watt, and this is out 3, which is 22.5 watt, which is a normal one, and you can charge the same with a fast charger as well. So while pressing the button, you see this shows us the battery percentage. So it has 54% of battery. To the rear side there are some specification given about the power bank which you can pause and read. Here we have a nice phone / tablet holder. So you just need to press it like this. You can keep your phone while charging and while using, so that's quite nice. Connected the power bank and place it in the holder, and you can see this now charging now in fast charge. Put in the 65 watts one, and this is quite good. So by here I can watch movies as well, so you can see. So while just charging your device, you can watch movies as well. Of course, that was a real quick unboxing and overview video of the INIU B63 power bank. If you're interested in purchasing the same, a link to the same will be in the description from you can go and buy it. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll catch you guys soon in the next video.